Good morning, everybody. My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What's Old video for you today. It is Saturday morning, and we're going to pull our sales for this morning.
Good morning, friends. All right. We are starting in box M over here. Is that light like super bright?
A little bit bright, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty harsh.
Oh, really?
We don't normally record in the mornings this early, but we wanted to make sure to get our Saturday sales.
Yeah, I printed these last night before bed, and I was just like, because I already had like 9, so I was like, well, I don't want to save that many till Monday.
Yeah.
On top of whatever else comes in. So here we are. These are a pair of Clarks.
Oh, we just got another sale.
These are like Clark's Cloud Steppers. I paid $5 for these and sold them for $29 plus shipping on Facebook Marketplace. So
sweet. Nice
little sale. Those are just like under £1. So shipping out in a mailer. Let's do. I'm just trying to empty this drawer, so we'll do one of these. All right, AL. This was a good one. They're all good ones.
Yeah. Particularly good? No.
I mean, anything over like $50, I feel like is
great for us.
Really good.
Yeah.
All right, so these are some Arc'teryx pants. Arc'teryx, however you want to say that. Paid $10.99 for these pants. Sold them for $68 plus shipping. So
very nice.
Nice little flip, and those are under £1, so I'm shipping them in first class, hoping nothing happens.
Yeah.
Because I always worry about higher dollar items. That's not super high dollar. I mean,
we always worry about it, but nothing really ever, happens in shipping. So if it was, probably around Christmas time, we'd probably be more likely to get insurance on it, because first class packages do not come with insurance.
So if it's lost, you're basically out your item and the money. So
the potential profit, so.
Yep. All right. So these Onitsuka Tiger A6 for $31 plus shipping. I had $7.99 into them, so I love picking up I'm more picky on A6 these days, but the Onitsuka Tiger still seem to do really well.
Yeah.
And those were a really small size, like a men's 5 or women's 6.5. So I don't know if they sold to a man or a woman, but they did. That pair took a little bit longer to sell than normal. Let's do more of a grown-up mailer. What do we got? As I pull out one with like all these woodland animals. Let's just do this one. All right. Okay. P. Reese, where are you going?
I know, he knew we were coming over here.
Where you at, shirt? Alright, this is an Eddie Bauer, just like it's like a women's button-up, but it's kind of like a stretchy performance material. Picked this up for $4.99 and sold it for $24.95 plus shipping on eBay. Nice little bread and butter sales.
Yeah.
Ship that out in a cat mailer. I love those.
The bandit cats.
Yeah. It's like I want to like use up all the mailers in this drawer, but also I'm like,
are they all bandit? Is this the only bandit cat? Oh no, there's one right there, but
cute.
I've always called them the bandit cats, but there's only like 2 on there.
You. We were just talking about the other pair of these a couple days ago, the oboes.
Oh yeah.
Or however you want to say that.
I did look it up, and it is oboes, according to the video that I watched.
Okay. Yeah, every time we don't know how to say a brand, we like go try to find like an ad of theirs.
Yeah, commercial.
Even still, I feel sometimes it's like wrong. Obviously, it's not, because that's how they're saying it. But anyhow, these are that brand, and these are the men's pair. So we sold the women's the other day for $50. These men's ones sold for $59 plus shipping on Facebook Marketplace.
Very nice.
And those are, I did pay $12.99 for, so really good sale there. Definitely gonna keep looking out for that brand.
Yeah.
And they are going UPS, so we're gonna have to deal with these boxes. Okay, shoe shelf. Merrill shoes. Where you at? There you are. Alright, these are a pair of Merrills. These I got from the bins. So I have $1.01 into them. And I sold them on Posh for $35. So
Sweet.
someone offered $35, I accepted. And yeah, really awesome.
Those got the...
I mean, look at the soles are really, really nice. Like super nice tread still. The only thing is the leather's kind of wrinkled. But
Yeah.
yeah, the insoles are a little dirty. I did take them out and wash them, but...
Speaking of pronunciations, Vibram is how you're supposed to say it. But I feel like everybody says Vibram, and it's like it's like the whole GIF argument, right? Like the creator of the word GIF says it's pronounced GIF, but everybody else says GIF. So what's the real pronunciation, right?
All right, so DC, what are you doing?
You sleeping? Is it too warm over in the sun? He was laying in the sun ray over here for a little bit.
Okay.
He's a nomad.
All right, I sold these pair of Sanuk. I never know what to call these loafers, slip-ons. I don't know, but I like selling Sanuk. They don't sell for a ton, but they sell consistently. These were $5.99 and sold for $31 with discount shipping on Posh. Nice little flip. Those will go out in a regional A, which I think is this. Alright, box S. So this Wrangler 20X Pearl Snap. I don't know what the 20X means. One of their lines is the 20X line.
Yeah.
I mainly bought this because it was Pearl Snap, so.
It's like a nicer brand, right? Or a nicer part of the brand.
Yeah. I mean, I don't feel like this is a nicer shirt than the other Pearl Snaps I sell, so. But maybe. Let me know if you know what the 20X means, but I pick
20
it up
times
if
is
it's
good.
a nice shirt. So this one I paid $4.99 for and accepted a $20 offer, so just over my $10 profit there. I did want to note, so this buyer got the Posher VA offer, which was I think $23 with discount shipping, which would have been around $20 to $21, maybe like $21. But then he countered at $20, which if somebody counters your offer with discount shipping, they end up paying the real
full
shipping.
shipping.
Yeah, so he probably got an extra $1 off, which I was happy to accept. Just wanted to let you know in case you're new to Posh or anything.
Right.
That, yeah, if someone counter offers any offer that you send, it cancels out any shipping discount that you had offered. So in the past, I've had people do it to where they actually paid more.
Right.
But I don't think everyone knows. A lot of people probably think they're still getting the shipping discount. But
It is weird that it kind of wipes that discount off there.
yeah, I mean, I'm glad because
Yeah, I mean, because that comes out of your pocket, right?
yeah, and now it just Posh's shipping went up yesterday or the day before. So now I noticed the shipping discount that was $1.59. It's $1.72. So
Yeah. As far as
huge,
increases
but-
go, it's probably the best one for sellers, right? Because it didn't go up
more
that
out
much.
of your pocket though now.
Yeah.
Send it off there. All right. So these. Why do I keep saying these? It's the one thing. Champion, Baylor Bears, Baylor, Texas, right? Baylor University hoodie.
I actually don't know where Baylor is.
Isn't that the one that is in Texas?
I mean, I only really know Baylor because I think that's where like Chip and Joanna Gaines went.
Right. That's what I was. And they're in Texas.
Right. Okay. I mean,
So, anyways, I have this hoodie and then I have a Nike of the same brand, and the Nike's been listed longer and has not sold. But this Champion one sold in I would say a week or so of being listed for $39 plus shipping. I paid $6.99 for it. So, I mean, all these Champion college hoodies that I've been finding have been selling great. So I don't know if it's all college things or specifically like Champion ones sell better.
yeah.
So, yeah, the Nike one, I would say is in better shape, and I wouldn't say it's like a nicer hoodie, because this one's cool. It had writing on the back and the front and the arms, too, but I don't know. I don't know why the Nike one hasn't sold still.
Right.
Oh, that is, what is that going out? So, Mercari, we'll just do a larger mailer on that, because it's going UPS. Cool.
Cool. So we did have that other sale. Do you want to pull it real quick?
What was it? Oh, right, yeah, we paid.
Some Adidas shoes or something, right?
Yeah, so Adidas. All right, they're in box of DA. So I paid $9.99 for these. I say DA? DA. He does like purple slip-on shoes. I sold them for $24 plus shipping on eBay, so I'm probably making about a $10 profit there, which I am happy with.
Yeah.
I really like this, like Adidas model. It just sells really well. Like not for a lot, obviously. I've sold them anywhere from 24 now to 30, some 35. I feel like the blacks do better because the black slip-on basic shoe basically matches everything. So.
Right.
But yeah, if you ever find those for a couple bucks, pick them up. And yeah, they're under £1, so going in a mailer first class.
Sweet. So we're gonna go ahead and pack this stuff up. You gonna help us today, Reese?
No.
You're just gonna lounge around.
Hey.
That's okay. You're good at that. Well, we'll go ahead and pack this stuff up, and then we'll check back in. Thanks for helping out today, Reese. We got everything.
He's lying. He didn't help us.
I think they know that. But we did get everything all packed up, and actually we didn't realize at first, but that last sale that came in,
the Adidas shoes were to a viewer.
Was a viewer sale.
So Bobby, thank you so much. Said watch you guys on YouTube, and you've inspired me to start my own store. Learning so much from you.
Awesome, Bobby. Thank you so much
on the new store and taking that first.
Scary step.
Yeah. So.
It gets easier and funner. And is that a word?
Now
Funner?
it's
More
like
fun.
so addicting.
Yeah.
But also cool.
Also, if we sound a little tired, it's because it's it's almost 10 o'clock.
So
and we haven't had coffee yet. So we're going to actually take the stuff off to the post office. We have about 30 minutes to get them there because our post office closes at 10:30.
11:30.
Oh, 11:30. So we got plenty of time.
We got it done early today.
Yeah. Well, we're going to go take the boys to breakfast and start our weekend off. And it's a 3-day weekend. I don't know if you remember. But we have Monday with the boys too. But yeah, we're going to take this stuff off to the post office, and we got a lot of work to do around our house today. So not a whole lot of business work, a lot more stuff downstairs, getting our house in order, laundry, all that kind of stuff we've been falling behind on. So that's what we're going to be working on today, guys. Thank you so much for the support. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.